Minasan, konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer desu. Let us continue the introduction to managerial accounting. We have guidelines for resolution of an ethical conflict. This is the part 2 of the ethical standards of IMA part 2. So there are part 1, part 2. Okay, so this is a part 2, resolution of ethical conflict. Follow the established policies of the organization, and for unresolved ethical conflicts, discuss the conflict with immediate superior, then initiate discussion with levels above immediate superior only with the supervisor's knowledge, assuming the supervisor is not involved. Okay, do not bypass. Okay, so ethical behavior, you don't have to bypass. Okay. Okay, so you have to follow the line of command. Okay, the line of communication. Then resolution continued, maintain confidentiality. Then clarify relevant ethical issues by confidential discussion with an objective advisor. And then objective advisor meaning there is no partiality. So the advisor is an impartial advisor, or it could be a third person that do not have any or something to do with the situation. No, consult your own attorney. Okay. So this is how professionally we solve ethical conflict regarding, for example, members or companies or others. Okay. So this is how important ethical aspect in business settings. Because of this, companies have adopted formal ethics code of conduct that provide broad guidelines for proper behavior. So even if we are a local company, we do not have professional organization like them. So in our country, we have codes of conduct on how we carry ourselves in doing our job in the business operation. Okay. Codes of conduct on the international level, International Federation of Accountants, guidelines on ethics for professional accountants governs the activities of all accountants throughout the world. So this is now when we are talking of global or international level. Okay, there might be conflicts because our global market is now becoming connected, more connected, even though physically the market are par. The connection is just millisecond online technology. Okay, so it gives us more concept and influence on the corporate governance. Corporate governance is a system by which a company is directed and controlled. How they are managed, how they are guided by the policies, not by the opinion, although opinion and style of leadership affects the type of governance, but they are based on policies. Company, if properly implemented, it should provide incentives for the board of directors and top management to pursue objectives that are in interest of company's owners and should provide for effective monitoring of performance. So very important, so that these are having a documented basis, meaning there is a book, company book of policies. So this is the end of our current lecture and our introduction to managerial accounting. Again, this is Dr. DrEYPEI preaching engineering for nation building.